Welcome to Project Zone. As we know, the scope of Internet of Things is increasing day by day, and to implement the idea of it in hardware, we need a smart board like Nodemcu, having built-in ESP8266 chip in it. To use Nodemcu in Arduino IDE, we need to add library of ESP8266 in Arduino software, and today I am going to explain the procedure to add this library in Arduino. First of all, copy the link given in description and then open Arduino IDE. Now go for File, then Preferences. Here you have to paste the link that is already copied to the clipboard by us earlier. Press OK and open the Tools tab. Under Tools tab, you will find Boards and then Board Manager. In Search tab of Board Manager, search for ESP8266 and its library will appear. Select the version and then click on Install. I had already added the library, so I am not doing it again. It will take around 5 to 15 minutes according to your internet speed. Now check the boards. Here you will find Nodemcu boards. In Examples, you will find the examples related to ESP8266. Let's open one and try to compile it. You will see done compiling after some time. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to Project Zone for more useful tutorials.